Leopold is dead. We don't know who it was.
Dun, dun, dun!
Now,
Oh my goodness! Leopold! Who could have done this? I don't know. Maybe that pig over there. They're very suspicious. Why are you laughing about this? This is a serious matter. This guy's dead!
oh no! What's his name?
I have no clue. Even though I just said it. I forgot already. Well, Detective Beefy is on the case, I guess.
Good.
Go bury that guy.
And that is how the mystery of who killed me started.
I'm going to interrogate people to see if they can interview people to see if they have seen anything. Let's go.
Say that again.
Yes. What do you know of the death of Leopold?
Which is me.
What do you know? You know something. I can tell. I'm staring into your eyes. Do you see anything suspicious over there by the slide?
Saw some fur over there.
Some fur. What was it colored like?
No idea. I don't. I gave it to like.
How can you know what fur was?
I gave
But there
it
was
to a
fur,
detective.
but not color. You gave it to a detective? I'm the only detective in the universe. You did not give it to me. You gave it to someone pretending to be a detective.
They were up. I don't know what they were. They had a snout.
They have a snout. Good evidence.
Goodbye.
Okay, so we know there was fur, and it was given to somebody pretending to be a detective who had a snout.
Okay, now I can
Dun,
be him
dun,
and
dun.
now,
No!
Hello. Do you know anybody that was pretending to be a detective with a snout?
So with a snout, do you mean the person that was pretending to be a detective had a snout, or were they
Yes.
pretending to be a detective that had a snout?
Someone was pretending to be a detective that had a snout.
All right. So, no, that's a very specific question. Although, if you were asking about the guy who was dead over there, yes.
that is my face.
Well, there's a strange crumpled up sock over there. Is that evidence? Yes, it is. Okay. You'll investigate. Done! Hey, I saw you earlier. Do you know anybody who has a snout?
I have a snout?
Do you know anybody who has a snout?
No.
Simon.
Wait a second. You have a snout.
Yeah.
Do you like to pretend to be a detective?
What?
Do you pretend to be a detective on a regular basis?
Sometimes.
That's very suspicious. We'll be back for more questions.
Thank you.
Bye. Why haven't we buried this body yet? Alright. This is such a strange sock. Who would wear this? Who would wear this sock? Do you have any idea who would wear that sock? Ah! Hi. How you doing? You were here when a guy killed that guy. Do you know anything about the guy? Do you know anything about that happening? Can you speak? Then answer that question. Answer it. You have to answer it.
I don't know. I have not seen them.
It's very suspicious of you.
Maybe.
Wait.
I'm not taking another nap.
All right. Trying to interview the suspects. We've got Sock, Dude, and Wilbur. Well, first up, only one of you has a snout, and it's that guy.
What? I don't have a snout.
Wait. Oh! A knife! I'm sure I think most normal people have those in their stomachs.
I remember something.
I think that you.
That knife.
It's you!
That knife. That was.
We're interrogating you. Oh my! Oh my what?
I saved you, detective. Thank you for finding who killed me.
Are you a ghost?
You're dead.
No.
I killed the cat.
Hey, I think we launched them into, I don't know, space or something.
I killed the cat who killed my owner.
What? We did what?
The cat killed my owner, so I killed him.
Okay. Should I lock you both up? Why did you kill his owner?
I wanted to eat him.
I used to live with that cat, and he ate my owner after she died.
Oh, after she died.
Yes.
She died of natural causes. They were just hungry.
Yeah.
Well, very sad, but I'm locking you both up. You're innocent. Backstory time.
A long time ago, when I was a young
In a
little
galaxy far,
piglet,
far away.
I had an owner, Vanessa. We were so close. Get out of the shot! Then the cat got jealous. And we went all day.
They played all day, and the cat was sitting there, being lonely, because she didn't love him. And that is why the cat ate his owner after she died. And then we both go to jail
After.
and therapy.
Happily ever after.
Hi, I'm Wilbur, and this is my house. I know what you're thinking. I'm a talking pig, but that's my origin. I ate some kind of potion or such, and then I kind of burped. Had diarrhea for a couple days. Anyway, but that is my story on how I became the talking pig. Talking pig and the dead cat.
And I'm the dead cat. Meow. Thanks. Watch our story.
All right, interviews. Let's go. Okay, who's being interviewed and who's the interviewer?
Hi, I'm Wilbur. And
Who's-
I'm the interviewer.
You're the interviewer.
Beefy, and I'm being interviewed.
Okay.
I'm Cat. And I'm Cat. And I'm a cat. So, Beefy and Cat.
Don't be on the camera. Ow.
Don't put it on the camera, Cat. You gotta work on that.
That was not a question. Stop. No more. Okay, Cat, we're gonna lock you in a jail cell. All right. What's the first question?
So, Beefy, what kind of exercise do you do for yourself?
Mostly getting chased by cats. Some being eaten and dead. And
Oh my.
This must be an exercise session.
just trying to survive.
I am Beefy.
Is that it?
I am Wilbur.
You're not Wilbur. They're Wilbur.
I am Leopold.
Wait, who's the one who eats? Come on, go. Oh.
No, it's eaten by the cat, Simon.
Yay! That was great.
Throw it up! Throw it up!
Beefy is dead.
Oh! This is not going to